Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel and labdien. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing recipe of strawberry marmelade. Marmelad is basically a candy that we have all over Russia, Eastern Europe and Baltic states, and it's got a really strong burst of strawberry flavor. We don't need a lot of ingredients, it's super simple, and I just love the strawberry flavor so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment down below. And of course, if you want to become a member, you can do so and get access to all my library of my videos and of course all the new video recipes that come out every single week. Now let's get started.
Blitz your strawberries with a hand blender or food processor until it's nice and smooth and you get this beautiful, nice, fresh red puree. Then we're going to mix this through. Over here I've got my sugar and pectin and some good quality honey. First we're going to add our puree into a deep pot with a little bit of honey and mix it through. You then want to add a little bit of sugar with pectin and cook this on medium heat. You're going to heat up the mixture for about 3 to 5 minutes until it reaches the boiling point, or around 60 degrees Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit. You're going to cook the mixture until it reaches the correct temperature. I will leave the recipe in the membership, and it should be nice and thick by this point. This can take several minutes of constant whisking, just don't stop stirring. Then once you feel like the mixture is done, you will be able to see that it will become a bit nice and thick like a paste. You want to pour this down, pour your marmalade into a tray or round cake tin lined with silicone mat or baking paper. You're going to leave it to set completely, and this can take several hours. If you're using baking paper, you need to make sure you oil it up so the mixture doesn't get stuck to the paper. I usually leave my marmalade overnight or at least one day, and then I cut it into little shapes that I like. Once your marmalade has set, you can dip it into the sugar. I use granulated sugar because it melts slower from both sides and the corners, and then it will be much easier to cut it into beautiful shapes. Your marmalade will be nice, thick and delicious. It's a pure delight to have this. As a child, I have this so much, and of course the homemade version is so much nicer. The longer you leave your marmalade, the harder it will become outside and chewier it will get in the middle. But it will still be soft inside. So it's really an amazing, yummy candy that you can make at home.